Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad where we're going. I hope you're all okay. Another amazing location. So doors are open. Let's go. Don't forget me drink this time. Thank you. Again, Stewie Rich upper backs. Flipping heck, that's a light and a half. And guys, it's happened. It's happened. That there.
Exploring with a secret ball.
I am exploring with
I haven't got change of that £50 note you gave me, so I have to keep it.
Oh, I'm glad you let me wear this, Lars. Seem to have a thing for being underground today.
Yes. And all water flows in here, but where's it going?
I don't know, it looks crystal clear, doesn't it? You alright?
Yeah, I'm enjoying your life. I'm just thought.
I know, that one's almost as good as my one.
Yeah. Oh, it's essentially having one of these.
Oh, mine got stolen, unfortunately.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, we were attempting 5 ways.
Right.
And Liam's car got broken into.
Your car got broken into?
No, Liam's car got broken into.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Parked right outside 5 ways. Yep. And my torch was in the bag because we didn't need it at the time.
I wonder if something Liam's drive was. This is why I'm a bit like cagey now about what car I've got.
Yeah.
Oh, this is looking very flooded.
Oh dear.
Oh, wow. This is a lot more flooded than it has been. Oh, shit.
Guys, this is proper flooded.
Oh, no. This bit, that's right. This bit is, you go around the edge. But once you get beyond this, it's not so bad. But there's a couple of dodgy bits. What I'm going to do is keep on the edges. Keep on right around the edge. It's not too bad then.
It is crystal clear.
Oh, you've got wellies on.
I've got lots as well, yeah.
I don't know why.
It's a bit slippy, so watch your step. It's like, it's ankle deep.
You can go around that side, look, and you can actually clamber along and keep yourself fairly dry.
Yeah, you can come around the side.
Whoop! Watch, because it is slippy. It's really sinky as well. Oh. Well, that looks a bit deeper, doesn't it?
Is that where you definitely have to go then?
Whoa.
If you want to get to some bits, you will have to go through there, which means you're going to be up over your ankles.
Yeah, I'm already over my ankles.
But this way, there's quite a bit to explore other side. So once you've gone up here, you
Okay.
decide if you want to do anything around here then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to hold that too?
Right. Oh, Lift your arm up.
It's alright, I'll just stay next to Matt.
I'll do that if you want.
I'll stay next to Matt. It gives me an excuse to hang around Matt, won't it? I need his light. Wow.
This is their old workman shed. These are quite expensive.
Mm.
Good work. I did 60 foot lot on half of it.
Oh, there's an old printer there. Cooler box. That's a good cooler box, actually.
Oh, I see. It's just a little room.
There used to be wellies left around here as well that, you know, people could slip off their things, pop on some wellies and do the shitty bit.
Oh, well, I've cleaned your wellies for you, lads. Oh, you're not last, sorry.
What does that say?
iPhone storage full, you do not have enough storage to record, free up space. Oh dear.
It's wrong with... Somebody scribbled it out.
See the way it's been carved, that's awesome, isn't it? What's that? There's a date there, isn't it? Oh, somebody scribbled it out, look.
Press the emergency self-destruct.
Press it harder then. That's awesome how it's been.
Do you know you're only using 50% of your light power there? Because you've got the balance of colour is so low. If you turn that to 5,200, you get the other LEDs come on at the same time. That's it.
Oh, that's
now
better.
both sets of LEDs are on now. Twice as bright.
Thank you.
The like back that look like. What's over it?
I don't know if you can climb over it, but it might come out in this area. But I think we looked at it and it was like it goes over, then it goes over again, then it goes over again, so it wasn't looking very promising. Yeah, sadly, this is the where you've got to go. I think there's, surprisingly, I think we walked a certain way, and it wasn't that deep like here.
I was going to say that gets.
I think you can see it's actually deeper over there.
I was going to say, Matt, you're taller than me, so your boots will be taller than mine. Oh, you could just have a swim in there, couldn't you?
This is the deep bit. Step on the stone and step across. Is there a lot of floor?
Yeah. Do it. Go on.
Ah, watch, there's a lock there, Lars. Right, Bolt said stand on a stone somewhere. But
I'm sinking and I can't see a stone.
no, the stone's here and there's one just there. Look, it's more like a big rock. Ah, there's that big stone.
This is not helping my rational fear of water.
Yeah, and step onto this side here and it's not so deep then.
I'm already up to my knees.
Oh, it's getting close.
Yeah, no, it'll come up now. Because that's a deep bit. It gives you like long steps off that rock. Should be higher then. Quite just higher there, look. Yeah, see, it's already higher. And then it gets higher and higher and higher.
Come on. I'm going to go.
Right, do it. Step on.
Whoa, doesn't.
Step on that rock and do a long step over So that's a deep in.
Look how clean.
I can't feel it.
Keep coming along, Lars. Keep coming. No, don't stand on that bit. It's not
My legs
safe.
ain't that long.
Keep coming along a bit more. That's it. Just a bit more. That's it. Somewhere there it gets higher.
Yeah. And then it gets higher and higher as you come, so you won't get too wet then.
I mean, I'm past the point.
I did offer to lend you some money.
Oh, right. I've got spare cups. I'm not fussed about getting wet.
I am.
And then once you get through this bit here, that's it then. It's all good. Go on the edges here.
I should have left my can with Liam. I'm going to leave. Right, please remind me to get my can on the way back because that's still full. And don't want to leave it behind.
Just try and come down the edges. Everyone else giving up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Oh God, this is getting close to the top of the welly bogs.
They don't know what they're missing, they know, but this is really quite big down here.
I take it it's not usually this flooded.
It might be a little bit higher than normal.
I nearly went.
Look how close that got to my welly top, lad. There's a big rock there, Lars, be careful.
Well, that's the problem. I can't see it because all the silt.
See, I'm trying to go where Mr. Volt's gone.
That's it.
I mean, to be honest,
That's really squishy there, Lars, be careful.
I mean, I'm wet.
That's deep, yeah, I bet.
This is going on.
Well done, Lars, you're doing awesome. I never thought we'd be doing a water explore with Mr. Volt. That's it, Lars, just walk for a bit more water.
It's a lot easier walking around this one than it is down in the woods, but
Oh, sorry.
it's just that bit of water, I forgot about it, I'm going to try and remember it, but I'll get it down.
Wow.
Can you hear that?
Yeah. Squelch, squelch. Fair play though, Lars, fair play. Ooh. Ew.
Can you hear that bit?
Yep.
Literally full.
At least we can follow your wet footprints out, Lars.
True.
So the RAF had something to do with this in the past, and I mean there's signs on the walls relating to things, and I think they worked out that the RAF were down here, but I mean, look at this.
Is this the one that you came to that had the slight MOD part to it? Like on the second level?
This is probably it. No, that is what you're thinking of there is what's it called? It's near Caution, Hartham Quarry. And yeah, we got up onto another level and it said like MOD, and we scooted along and they built a wall. That was-
Yeah.
and if you got through that wall, Caution Computer Centre was on the other side.
Ah. So it's all kind of part of the same complex.
Yeah.
Wet ear
I mean, near
protection.
here, on the way up, we passed a thing called Octavian. You just see it on the sign, big blue sign, Octavian.
Yes.
Now that is a massive underground quarry that like dwarfs this, but it's all properly cut out, all whitewashed walls, and they use it for wine storage. And they've got like robot conveyor belts, and they put things on conveyor belt that takes the wine up to the surface.
That would be lovely,
Not a
wouldn't it?
million miles away from it under here, so this is part of a whole series of quarries, but that was the big boy over there. And if you get fire here, it seems going out, and the reason the fire went berserk here is because that's the emergency escape. So all the air was on like a chimney, and it would have just burnt this area.
Oh wow.
That comes out in a front. Oh, fucking dirty man.
Oh yeah, I can see that. I can actually see.
Yeah. That comes out in the farmer's yard.
How's it?
So we'd be very happy if the rear head.
Well, I don't know how many times people have ever tried to come out in his farmer's yard. Doesn't really go much further. It goes a little bit, but not very far, just goes around. They backfilled this. There used to be a few more sections, and they just pushed rocks up in there and, you know, leftovers after quarrying.
What are the hooks for?
They would have had a suspended ceiling on there, and the suspended ceiling would have been corrugated iron, or tin, or asbestos. And basically then, any drippers that fall off from the roof get caught by the corrugated, you know, zinc or whatever, and then roll down and drop off the edges and go into channels, water channels. So it would have been for electric lights, but a lot of zinc up on the roof, or asbestos.
Yes, they like to use a lot of asbestos.
Mm. It's just to make the walkways dry, because they just turn into mud otherwise. Not too bad in here though, really.
So is this the Sally?
Yeah, this is
No.
the
No,
other-
no, this is the other one,
This
isn't it?
is East Park Quarry or something, yeah. Elm Park.
Oh, sorry, love.
It's all right, I'm walking in a...
I don't walk in a straight line.
Elm Park Quarry.
Elm Park Quarry.
It's a nice one really, because you know, people aren't going to get lost in it.
Yeah, it's quite chill.
Not like the other one then. We stood there in silence for ages and couldn't hear a single thing.
Yeah, you find with these types of tunnels, if you go around one or two corners, somebody can be shouting full blast and you won't hear them. It's like this.
Well, I was kind of shouting.
You hear it?
Oh, we got to go back through the water. I'd say you're going to be alright, Lars, but you'll probably be doing the best because
I mean, considering I'm the one that's
We
got to
made
deal
it.
with
I'm perfectly
water.
dry. Ah.
How?
Because I went over the backfill.
Oh, you managed to get over the backfill?
do. Wet feet? No.
Did you tell the others they could do that?
Yeah.
Are they
Where
coming?
are they?
I don't know.
Oh shit, I didn't realise you could do that. Yeah, if
Can
you
you
want
see any
to go
lights?
up there, there's an emergency exit, which is kind of interesting.
Now I just thought, okay, I'll go over it and see if I can. And I saw your lights.
Yeah.
Well, we can't lose Stewie and Mr. E.
Yeah, I think we looked at that backfill and we thought, oh, it's like goes on and on and on, so we never did it.
You seen that, Lars? How the constant drippings just made a hole.
They've got some absolutely beautiful ones of them in Swan Mine. They're like a really distinctive, like yellowy colour.
Oh.
If you have a look on Liam Short, I think there's one on there.
Yeah. This used to be our area.
I'm glad you did it though, Lars.
What?
I'm glad you did it. And thank you for lending me your wellies.
I was dubious because I don't like water that I can't see below.
Oh. See, I'm just like a mermaid in the water.
Pinball suite.
No, thank you.
That's got his marijuana.
In a fire here, and it probably went out of control because that emergency thing to your left acted like a chimney.
Stoked.
I take it you can't get out there.
I don't know if it's locked, it probably is locked, but it comes out on in a farmer's yard, right next to his house.
Oh.
So I've never had the bollocks to go in there because it's quite an active, he's like, I've been sat there and he's like in and out, and then there's fucking tractors moving around, and I'm like, oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, I've never tried it at night there. You know, probably got more chance when they're all asleep, you know, and there's no activity. But
Oh, I'm game for going up it and
I've
pushing
never
the
been able
top.
to find it with a drone either. I have an idea. It's kind of like hidden in They look like chicken sheds and shit like that, and then there's bushes come over the top. I think it's under those bushes. Yeah.
There was hard work coming over that thing,
Should have just done what Lars has done. Please tell me you have got spare shoes,
I've got
Lars.
spare shoes, spare pants, spare socks, spare trousers.
Oh,
spare jumper,
see,
spare
Lars is
boots.
learning, look, when she comes out with us. We
I
always...
can't standing and wet for like long periods.
Oh, I thought it was just in case you end up... Oh, no, you got college, uni tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah.
Liam comes over on one night and ends up staying the whole weekend and then buggering off on a Sunday.
Yeah.
Oh, well, now we get to see you go back.
You do.
We do?
You see you got back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll take me long if we get
I know, and we can record it.
over it then.
Iron ore or something like that.
Yeah,
Sorry. I've still not gotten over it yet.
Have you asked Matt for a selfie yet?
Liam!
Matt, he wants a selfie with you. Is it?
He's a bit starstruck.
Okay.
Oh, we're going now? That's going to be my thumbnail, that is.
I normally pull in faces when I have photos.
Yeah, but I do usually pull faces, but I thought, no, I need to not pull a stupid face. We can do another one with stupid faces if you want.
Right, then. Well, if we get out alive, we'll do that then.
Yeah, I was
It
thinking.
just goes round, so you can come down this bit, you go round the corner.
Yeah.
This is the slip and dive way.
Oh, God.
Food full of water as well.
I need a piss.
Oh, thanks, Liam.
I do need a piss.
I mean, I'm not going to push it. Is that connected?
No.
Shall we?
No, don't do it. Just in case.
It does look like a new... It does look like a new button, though, look.
No, it's not connected because it's. Oh, if you look up above.
No way.
Yeah, I came around this way first and thought I can't see you up there, so I thought I'll just. And then I heard your voice. So I thought, oh, that's weird, is that?
Now this is a weird one, because you can go all the way up here, and it comes out to a vent hole, but the door is locked.
Oh, bloody hell, yeah.
I think the lock is on this side, so you can actually get out through the vent.
That's wow cool.
Yeah, because it goes up, comes around.
Wow. That's awesome.
So once you've done the walk, you've got to bend down to do it, and you don't want to go back the same way you come. So you can just go straight down then.
Hey, Lars.
Squelch your voice. Oh,
Have a little look down here.
yeah, well, I got to about really thought I can't see the lights. Because I turned this off.
Oh, did you do the looking for light thing?
I went like that, and obviously because I couldn't see any lights, I thought, oh, I'll go back, because if I go wandering down that way, I might not know where I end up. Until it's starting to see all this up as well. I'll be helpful.
How would you get through? I'm guessing there'd have been a fire extinguisher or something there.
It's a lot more modern, and they use a lot of these things to hold the ceiling up.
Like you're just walking through Swansea, seeing all the bits of wood that fall out and all the big blocks.
Yeah.
And I'm like, just don't look up, don't look up.
Yeah. Or some of the cracks you see, like, you know, 100-ton rock just hanging above you, you know. It's like, oh no.
There seem to be a few what look like quite recent rock falls in Bethel.
Yeah.
That's got bricks though, and it's been filled in there.
Now, I've got a funny feeling that the way they go in here, they can't go any further because they're basically going into people's houses. So it makes it risky because of the subsidence, you know. So I think they were told they could only sort of go this far. Somebody told me that. So, right. This is, if the door wasn't open and you did the walk, you'd be sorely pissed off. But now the door is open, you can go round, or you can go here. You can go all the way up, follow the path with the things, and it's a little bit sort of bendy. You come round and come all the way back if you want to do it. It's entirely up to you.
Oh, flipping heck.
Yeah.
Can't see bugger
Got
all.
me sweaty when I did it. It's all over. It's like a fucking walk.
Oh. That doesn't look very good. Oh, they're not special ones, are they?
Might be, they've got a nipple on it.
Oh no, they get too big, don't they? They get too tall.
I'm talkative.
Huh? What? I'm just concentrating on not saying anything stupid. Look, I usually have just free reign of stupid shit, but
There's another offshoot that goes down in similar sort of distance, and it's a dead end, and that basically that's it. It is one that I think is a good example for people. You said, like, you know, imagine you're in a proper quarry with modern equipment, modern cutting equipment. You know, and this is what it looks like.
I was going to say, can you point the light up, please?
Eh?
Point the light up, please. Look at that. That's mad, isn't it?
Really clean, really square. Reflex probably would have gone through at one time. They just filled them out of the dead.
Yeah. So is this rock not usable?
Well, it's the thing, I've often thought this because
I take it home and build a rockery with it.
You could use it, but it
Sorry, I'm
probably
writing you a
costs
shot, I know.
I've got this one, haven't
Oh,
I? You could probably use it, but they'll probably just use it to backfill it or, yeah.
and the other thing is as well, I think they like it to be like a one colour, you know, and if these bits have like blotching in them, then they tend to leave them. But I mean, I would say they're usable, but it just depends on the purpose, you know. It's kind of like
Yeah.
just for outdoor garden, you know, ornament.
Seems a bit
ornamentation.
wasteful.
yes.
Yes, it is very wasteful what they do down there.
We can use it for, we can use it for roads and
Yeah, it's quite soft though. That's the only thing for road.
hybrid soft.
Yeah, it's Hearthstone's really, really soft. I mean, if you scrape something metal across that, you'll dig it out, you know.
Yeah. And it's just like plasterboard.
Yeah, it is very, very soft stone, but that's what they build the buildings all around here, right? It's not really
Beautiful
a
stone.
little bit wrong there.
So I'm thinking this isn't used anymore then, Matt.
No, I think there was some talk about it being reopened, but I mean, it's where can they actually dig? Because once they get to a certain point, I think they're underneath people's houses, and you know, it has to be agreed with, I think, by the council basically. The councils have to say, well, you can go as far as this underground. And if they ever hit anything like a bad patch of
Watch
stone
that bit of dodgy wall.
that isn't good enough quality stone, they automatically have to stop because it's crap. It's crap. There's no point going any further.
That's so dodgy in here.
I live right next to one of the UK's biggest quarries, like open air, so they dig down,
Yes.
and it's massive, absolutely huge, and they stopped for ages blasting, but they've just like started blasting again.
Yeah.
You can literally, like, the windows shake.
Yeah. It's like that soldier play with me when they're firing tanks and things. You know, it's like, you know, maybe 10 miles away, and the shockwave comes across, and it's like your house shakes a lot.
It's lots of dust.
Yeah, down in Cheddar.
You're right,
Down,
Liam.
down to Cheddar way, like even in Somerset, there's a lot of quarries down there, and they literally dig into the ground and they spiral down. So like the edges of the quarry are like just wide enough for a vehicle to go on, but you look over the edge and it's like you're standing on all these steps going down into, you know, if you came off on that vehicle, something went wrong with the steering, and you went over the edge, you'd be tumbling down. And it goes down such a long way. It almost looks like it's like
You
1,000
don't
feet
realise
down.
how far down they are, because I went on a Sunday when they were closed for a walk, hopped the fence and walked the rings,
Yeah.
and I walked for 2.5 hours, and I was nowhere even near the bottom.
Wow.
And I was like, I'm not doing it because I've got this big hill to go back up. But it is absolutely huge. You can see it from Google Maps, and you just look into the abyss.
Something you need an electric microphone probably.
Yes.
Liam's lethal enough on
It's a
his
great
own 2
viewpoint
legs.
off the top.
This one's still got the cable on it. Look, they haven't stolen the cable. But it'll obviously stop it somewhere. No, it's going around right. For some reason they haven't fucked with the cable there.
There's a load of them.
Well, because it's too high for them to get to it.
Well, surely if you grab it, you could just yank it, couldn't you?
Yeah, possibly.
Can't be asked today. And I don't know where I am, so it's not like I can get back.
Yeah. It's definitely going out.
You're right, Lars.
Yours. This
I hope Stewie and Eve are
water's
okay.
just circling around my feet, and it's got very warm.
Nice. Like your own little personal foot spa.
Yes.
Yeah. Don't enjoy it for too long. You're going through the puddle again now.
Oh, I'll be back up to my knees.
I'll go the.
I'll go. Why don't I was going to say you could go with.
I'm not sure I can be bothered to
It's,
climb.
you have to sort
Okay.
of left end like that. It is a bit longer that way, but
Instead of getting cold feet again.
I know warm and quick enough.
Just
It's
go.
quite refreshing. It's like taking a dip in the sea.
Yeah.
it looks like a sand pile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Probably use plasterboard or something.
I think they process some of the stuff down here, but also the cutting equipment, you know, is continually producing loads and loads of sand, you know, as it cuts, and they probably have to collect it.
Yeah. I reckon we can use the sand in like plaster and shit like that, and mixing in with like certain rocks, grades to make it stick.
Oh, Liam. You try so hard to stay dry.
I am dry. point you climb over. Where's the water cliff?
That might be it. That curves around possibly to.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, it's in the back.
Oh, here, is it?
What's up?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, yes. Whoops, a daisy.
I'll remember that, then you can get over there.
Bye, Liam. He's going the non-wet way. And I'm sorry we're going to have to use Loz's touch. I need a hand. Whoa.
Is that really deep?
Yes, it is there. I didn't want to go over my welly.
How deep is this?
Nearly at my knee. I was trying to stand exactly where Matt stood, but he took it off. And I can't see where he stepped.
Don't leave now.
Ah,
This is my favourite.
that's alright, I'll stay with you. Oh, right, there's a little rock that sticks out just there. You okay?
Yeah.
It's going to get slippy. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, there's a rock there. And then it's going to get deep again, isn't it now?
I found it.
Where's that? Is this the rock on the corner? Where's the rock on the corner? There.
Not quite as bad, I think around there is okay.
There's another rock there, Lars, you can stand on.
I mean, to be honest, I'm in.
Okay.
Yeah, this bit here is okay.
There's Liam. Right.
Get deeper to my right and to the left. This route here actually is not so bad.
Right.
It definitely gets deeper there.
I'm so tempted to swim in it.
It definitely gets deeper there.
Oh, my leg is feel.
Did you say you go back to the car?
I don't know, because I said if you come this way, it looks like there, but where is it?
I'm just going to go where Matt's gone. Whoa, that's slippy there, Lars. Whoa, that's slippy and sinky. Yeah, hang on. My feet's so hard.
Yeah, it's something your feet a bit.
You caught me off balance. You can see that cars have been going in and out though.
I mean, my boots did need a good clean, so
So he's putting them in the washing machine, didn't he?
yeah.
I am excessively grateful, Lars, for you getting wet feet so that I could wear your wellies. Brake test zone. man. Sorry. Oh. Guess what? That's the secret vault. I know, I've got a secret with the selfie. I've got a secret with the selfie vault. Well, it's not going to be a secret selfie because I've met the secret vault, so unless you want me to keep it secret, I'm not keeping it secret. He is much bigger in real life, guys. Much taller. Slippy. They must have gone back up to the car then, mustn't they?
They didn't say they were. But I don't think they would be getting there. I just,
Sorry. I'm trying to keep my camera dry. What? Oh. No. I was going to say it's a bit late now. We've been in there. Well, I've stopped it, so we've been in there 20 odd minutes.
Sandbags, faster, isn't it?
I was going to say, I thought that's how we got in.
Is that what they've done to stop you?
This might be stop the flooding, innit? Thank you.
Somebody must have picked the lock up and then where the hell is that? Oh, right.
Well, how's this? Let me tell you.
Where's the street? Mary told me. It's a long run.
I don't think that was parked there, was it? Ah, was it? Ah, look at the state of me. I don't know. Well, have you seen that? I don't even know what I'm covered in. Look.
Cody going up.
Yeah, because then I can use it.
I'm hoping they've gone back to the car. I'm hoping they've gone back to the car.
Where else would they have gone?
Hey?
Where else?
Well, I hope they haven't sort of come over and...
They won't leave us.
Do I need to come up and pull yous up?
You might, Liam.
Right, hang on then.
I've got feet full of water.
Right, hang on then. Do.
Can you get through?
Yeah,
Careful.
right, hang on, Loz. I don't mean to push.
Just, yeah, give me your arm to... Don't push me into the...
Hey? Look. Hang on, because I'll get you up. Yeah, go on.
starting an explore, guys. How amazing was that? And we made it in an hour in one piece. So I'm gonna say goodbye, guys. Say goodbye, Liam. And where are we going? Up that way. And for Mr. Secret Vault. Thanks for that, guys. See you later.